Tanya from the Diamond Miner. Welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we're gonna online. Bed wars. I want the bed wars. XDs, clear, andyan. Oh, where? Back. Sa may FB. Come on, come on. No. To that. Back to game. And I'm gonna sign in. I'm gonna pause you. I'm signing in. I'm gonna play. Oh, I think there's so much players now. Let's see. Oh, there one. Oh no. There's two. Come on. Oh no. Oh man, I gotta wait. I gotta apply. Now let's see. Let's look. Oh, just loading. Come on. Bring it out. Come on. Hey, saka. Bring that server. I want to join my recording. Oh yeah, there. Come on. No! This match is full again. I'm gonna pause this. I gotta find some place this. Oh, that is the perfect place to wait. Oh man. Oh, maybe this. Come on, don't take my place here. Hey, yeah. Where's that? Come on, loading. Come on. And just wait. Who's this? I don't know, guys. Need to guess. No. Oh, there. The loading. Gotta wait. The loading. Come on. Keep punching him. Keep punching that. Keep punching. Yeah. You are team the green. Oh yeah, I'm green team. That's my favorite color. Oh yeah. We are part of this little terrible on this part. Maybe not. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, this is my team. Give me the iron. Come on. Give me more. Give me more. I think 15, 16. I want the iron. Nah. 21, 22. Nah. What's the point at this? I want to buy my things and cover the bed. So nothing can destroy it. Where's the enemy? Oh, I'm gonna find it after this. 40? Yeah. Let's buy here. Oh, why different now? Oh, there's 2 iron. No. This. And this. And this. And back to it. And armor. Maybe this. And this. Maybe not. And pickaxe. Maybe wooden. Oh yeah. Blocks. We need this. Lots of blocks. And lots. Come on. Wait, 100 pieces. Oh, that's enough. And meat. You want this steak and fish. Oh, there's only egg. Okay. Gotta put my weapons here. And here. Now that's done. These guys know how to do it. Okay. We're put here to protect our bed. Hey, what's bed lagging? And there, and you put the things in there. And I'm gonna fight the enemies. Where's the ladder? Oh, there. There's new update and the villagers been deep again has hands now. Oh, there. Let's try to go there. Let's see. 1, 2. Come on, go. Go faster. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause here to get on the. Okay. There we go. We are here. We gotta attack the orange and go past. Come on, go. Go a little bit fast. Come on. Go. Do my best. Do your best. Come on. Do your best. I'm gonna jump. Do your best, man. Do. Come on. We gotta kill the losers. And we'll end this video on here now. We're gonna jump on this cup. Well, ouch! Need food, come on. Ouch! No! Bad idea. Go, bad idea. No! Why? I'm gonna pick this all again. No. I'm gonna attack with one sword. No. Why? One sword. Maybe one stick. Maybe not. Why? Come on, give me this. Oh, I have iron. Get out here, come on. Get out. I am recording. Hey. Hey, what do you want? No, just say anything. I'm gonna buy iron piece and this armor here and here. That's more like it. And buy this. Buy chest plate. Come on. You're buying my chest plate. That's my favorite. Oh, we were stuck on that. Food. Come on. What's on that chest? Need food. Come on. I need food. This and this. A lot. Come on. That's enough. And gotta buy. Give me this iron. And gotta buy some stuff. This. I'm gonna attack. Oh, wait. I'm gonna buy the iron. Maybe not. Fight, come on. You need blocks. Oh, I forgot the pickaxe. Why not bow? Come on. Hurry up. We gotta do this now. I put on this right here. I put this. And there's an enemy. Come on, gotta go. There's an enemy. Hey, what do you do this? Pickaxe. Gotta part with this. No! Lost. I gotta attack someone. Come on, sneaky. Fight, tagsa ka. Where are you? No! go again. I gotta attack that. My piece. Come on, I'm gonna attack that. Go, go, go. I'm gonna attack. I'm gonna attack. No! Ah. Always, I die. I suck up Bedwars. I'm gonna fight. Come on, come on. We can do this. Wait, I'm gonna switch controls. I'm gonna fight someone. Yes, my better ones. Where the guy? Let. Come on, put the blocks. Come on. I'm gonna punch you. Let's go here. Go here, here, here. We're gonna find some ores. Oh, the enemy's here. We gotta store this. Come on. Store this. Store. Come on, pass. Come on. The enemy's gonna come back again. Oh, why are you putting that again? I will punch you. The enemy's here. Apple. Apple. We need cobweb to pull him down. Oh no, 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 no. I'm gonna pull the cobweb. Sucker. I'm gonna pike you. Come on. I'm gonna pike you. I gotta pike you. I'm gonna pike you. Sucker, come on. Sucker. Kill. Oh, I almost killed that people. Come on. I will destroy their bed. Come on. You can do this. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill this sucker. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, you're green team. Sorry. Oh, I need this gold. Come on. Oh yeah. You want gold? You want gold? You want gold? Never mind. Hey, give me that. Need items. Need items. Hey, stop. Don't want to stop on here forever. Gotta wait. Come on, boss. I need to get the villagers loser. And where is the ladder to get up on this? Oh man. I gotta put this again. Ages and oh, I forgot. I have a fly. Oh yeah. That's a better cheating. Let's go. If I get diamonds here, there will be gone. And get this higher jump. And I'll get these 2 irons. And this. Hey. Yeah, Yum. I need the region. Buy this. Nope. This. This. Yeah. Sword. Iron. Come on. Yeah, stone. Wooden. And blocks. Nope. Maybe meat. Come on, let's buy this and this. Come on, let's buy this and that's much for today. Armor.